Let's unbox a Technics SU-R1000. Here's what's included in the box: a remote control, batteries, your standard power cable, a calibration disc, a manual, and the unit itself. First, carefully unwrap the unit and the accessories from their individual packaging. Make sure to save the box and all packaging inside in case you ever need to send the unit in for repair. Once everything is unwrapped, you can go ahead and install the unit into your equipment rack. Once you've installed the integrated amplifier into your equipment rack, locate the proper inputs and speaker connections in the back of the unit. Connect your preferred inputs and speaker cables. Featuring balanced and unbalanced analog inputs, multiple digital inputs, AV speaker selection, and its own high-end phono stage. Now just sit back and enjoy the beautiful sounds of your new integrated amplifier.